Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cocktails with vodka and fruits, only way. Begin by selecting ripe fruit and a neutral vodka, then taste each component to balance sweet and tart. Muddle gently to release juices without breaking skins, and add simple syrup or citrus to adjust sweetness. Use ice to chill quickly and shake or stir until frosty. Strain carefully and garnish for a fresh, bright finish. Start by prepping fruit and tools so the process flows smoothly and feels relaxing. Slice uniformly and remove any pits or stems to avoid bitterness, then set up a shaker, jigger, and strainer. Make simple syrup ahead and cool it so you can sweeten to taste without wasting time. Taste as you build the drink to reach a pleasing balance of sweetness, acidity, and alcohol strength for every glass. Decide whether to muddle, shake, or stir based on texture and clarity you want. Muddling adds body and rustic fruit flavor, while shaking aerates and chills quickly, giving a lively mouthfeel. Stirring keeps the drink smooth and clear when using strained fruit infusions. Always double strain if seeds or pulp are unwanted. Finish with a fresh herb or twist to lift aromas and make each sip inviting and bright.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.